Welcome. In this video, I will show you what to do if the face recognition scanner isn't working properly on your Redmi Note 15 Pro 5G smartphone. Okay, so if your Face ID scanner isn't scanning your face properly, we just have to set up a new one on your smartphone. So go to Settings on your device and swipe down to Fingerprints, Face Data, and Screen Lock. Then select Face Unlock. Enter your password, and if you have any previously enrolled face data, then first remove it from your smartphone, and then let's add a new one. But before we do this time, first wipe the surface of your frontal camera with a microfiber cloth, with a piece of dry microfiber cloth, or with just a dry towel or paper towel if you don't have any towels around, and make sure that there are no stains on your frontal camera, and to make sure that you can see your face properly in the camera, also adjust the lights in your room so that they face you and not your smartphone's camera, and make sure that your face isn't too bright when you look at it in the camera. Then just tap start and look straight into your camera so that your face is directly in the face circle. Okay, and now that the face is added, let's tap done. And before we proceed, let's make sure that the smartphone is fully updated. So go back to Settings, go to About Phone, select your Xiaomi version, and make sure that you don't have any available updates for your smartphone. And if you do have an update, then of course download it and install it on your smartphone. Let it restart, and after that, let's try to use the Face ID once again. So if you don't have any updates, just press power button and volume up key at the same time, and swipe the circle down to reboot your smartphone and wait until it is restarted. Okay, now that the smartphone is restarted, let's unlock it using the password first, and then let's try to use Face ID. And as you can see, everything works properly this time, and I hope that it does for you too. And if this video helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.